I'm Matt Stoliker. I'm a proud member of the AVP team here at the Woodlands High School. I love making films. Getting out there, shooting a movie, writing a movie, editing a movie, I love all of it. It is a truly magical experience. TWHS AVP opens up the door to pretty much an exponential amount of possibilities and opportunities. Whether you want to direct films or you want to anchor on news broadcasts, being a part of this program, you really get a good slice of life when it comes to every aspect of video production, filmmaking, audio design, graphic design, writing, editing, all of it. And I think that that's what separates it, because we have found a way to be super focused on a bunch of different focus areas rather than just be focused on one thing.
I think this class really prepares you for life and college and work, especially work, because this is a CTE class, and learning these career skills and technical skills really sets you up to work well in any career, even if it's not audio video. Getting into this class, I just realized, like, oh, this is what I want to do. This class prepared me to be like, to have a job, and I know what I want to do because I see myself here.
I've always wanted to pursue film and TV production, so when I heard that we have an audio video program, I was super excited. I didn't know what to expect, but then my friend showed me the classroom during elective night, and I was just so amazed. I was mesmerized. I feel like I am in the space where I could really try to do anything. There's always so many things to learn, and we get to work on different projects, not just short films, but we also get to do interviews and news production, which really teaches you a lot.
AV is a home for all sorts of people. Whether you're interested in film, video production, it can be a home for you, and I strongly encourage anyone to sign up.